And they brought out a rough course this year. It's going to be a challenge tomorrow. I thought old Moab was rough, and then they added another 1.5 miles out there of just brutal rocks. It's going to be a challenge tomorrow, but it'll be a good time.
Early on, we were doing good. We were just running our own race. There was some real fast guys out front, but every time one of them started to check out a little bit, something would go wrong for them. So we decided to just race our race, see how it would shake out. I know we were sitting second overall for a while there. Coming into our 5th lap, I think, there was just so much mud, and we ended up throwing a belt. And on these cars, they're not always the easiest thing to change. So yeah, definitely cost us some time out there. I mean, I thought we were racing West Coast, and you know, that was full-on East Coast conditions. That was more mud than I think I've seen anywhere else. It was crazy. It was a rough day, but a good day.